Hello, this is Zaf Barnes from 50 Plus Marketer. In this video, we'll be looking at how to create an email opt-in and thank you page using Thrive Architect. At the end, I'll also be sharing a free resource which I think you'll find really helpful. So keep an eye out later on in the video for this. In the meantime, let's get started. So first of all, what we need here in our WordPress dashboard, we need to go to Pages, Add New, and let's call this opt-in page. Opt-in page, and click Publish, and that. And then we'll launch Thrive Architect. And choose the option to do it for the pre-built landing page. You can do it from scratch, but to make it easier, we'll just use one of these pre-built pages instead. Now, if I do just use this simple one here. Okay, right. You can, if you want to, add in your company details, legal disclaimer, privacy policy, etc. there. We're not going into this actual video here. So we click on the email box here. And then what we need to do is click on Add Connection. We'll just click that, and then choose Connection. Click on the drop down for this. I'm going to choose Aweber, and this will take me to my 50 Plus Marketer list. So I'm just going to add the opt-in tag, opt-in free report tag. Click on the plus sign there to add it in, and then apply that, and just save that. Next, what we need to do is create our thank you page. So we head over to our WordPress dashboard and go to Pages, Add New. And let's call it thank you. For the title, click Publish. And then we'll just click on Launch Thrive Architect. Yeah, same again, pre-built landing page. I'll just scroll down and just find the set we used previously. Click on that one, and then what we need is the download one. So just choose this one. Now for this, see a button there, so you can just link that up to a link for the download free report there. If you want to do that, nice and easy. Right, so what we need to do then is just save that, and then click on Preview. Next, we need to copy this link. So if you select this up to the thank you, right click it and copy. Then we go back over to our opt-in page. What we need to do then is click on the email section, and where it says show success submission, click on that. Choose option to redirect to custom URL. Okay, apply that, and then just paste that link in there we've got for our thank you page. Save that, and then if we click Preview, and just put our email address in there. And hopefully this should go straight through to our thank you page. And there we go. that's it. Right, if we look into our email service provider here, Aweber, you'll see that the email's confirmed down there. So we're waiting for confirmation, but if we look at the tag on that, we should see that there's an actual tag assigned to it now. Same as the emails there what I've tested with. So go to view tag subscribers, opt-in free report, click on that, and you'll see now, there we go, all these here have been tagged with opt-in free report, including the title, this email address here. So, and that's how we test it once we've done it. Now we did all that under 5 minutes. So imagine if you had more time to do that, you could make it really look really nice. Now we did all this in about 5 minutes or so. So just imagine what you could do, or what you could actually achieve with investing a little bit more time building out these pages. Now, for our marketer, I think it's a brilliant product and I use it all the time in my business. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could please like, subscribe, and if you want, comment below. Now, I did say there was a free resource for you in the links below. Now, this is my 24K in 4 weeks case study. In this, you'll find a sneaky little tactic to gauge your competition and what you need to know about your potential clients and more. Thank you for watching. See you next time.